Well guys, I try to make this video in English, but I don't speak very well, but I try, okay? And now I can show you the first gift from another company to our pen shop Brazil, and this company is Esterbrook, okay? And I received a bottle ink and the color red like this at 50 millimeters, and I received the the mark to this brand, and with the paper and a good pack, and there's a B to mark book pages with the Esterbrook. It's a beautiful, and I received it to the famous fountain pen, and it is the focus of our review. Well, it's a ST model Sea Glass silver fountain pen, and I open now to see to you. It's a beautiful box, very very careful make it, and me 1858 from the first time from Esterbrook, and now Americans original reborn tone. Um, so little card with the QR code to access warranty page, and now this pen. It's a beautiful pen. Now I put it this way and talk about this precious pen. Have a name, Esterbrook, and the metals in silver color. Well, when I open this, have a movement to cover the nib. Okay, it's a nib and steel nib, Joho, and middle size. Okay, with a converter, and have a converter with Esterbrook printed here, and now we are using the same ink that's received. Okay, I hope you understand, but my English is done perfect. And now I will write something to show this pen in action, and we have Esterbrook 1858, received in 2021. We have a good nib, size M, a good use of the ink, right? Well, I forget to make a medition, and now I show to you it too. Well, we have a pen with let me see, with 15 centimeters, when without a cap, with 12 half 12 centimeter, and with the pot cover here, cap here, I have 70 centimeters. Well, it's a perfect pen. I have to thankful to our friend Brian. Okay, have to remember Brian from Esterbrook, and Enmar in the group connected, right? So special thanks. Special thanks. Well, is here Esterbrook Estie Sea Glass Silver Phantom Pen. Okay, I hope you enjoy and subscribe in YouTube and Shop Brazil and Instagram and Shop underline Brazil. Okay, thanks to watching. Okay guys, thanks to watching, and see you again in other videos. Bye bye. Thank you, Esterbrook.